compounding, construction, process, vulcanization.
Every element works as one, delivering speed, control, and that distinctive feel that riders trust.
The key of the Corsa PRO success comes from the balancing of all ingredients.
Kind of a magic synergy that make this tire unique.
We are passionate and we love the challenges. The objective was not just the product, but was the process to support the product.
The Corsa PRO range is the most winning range in the world, but it's not just about speed. It's about total performance.
That's why we really need the passion of the people to do it.
So the rubber trees is called the Hevia bacillus. This one, the tree, it has like a kind of vessels under the bark here. So the tapper would have to tap like that in order to cut those vessels. The vessels will give the white liquid, which is actually the kind of its immune system to protect itself from the insects or the disease.
Thailand is the one hub of the global of rubber. This is because Thailand is the world leading producer of the natural rubber.
All the process is very sustainable, and people are taking really good care of the land and of the nature. And also it's interesting to see because rubber can only be harvested during nighttime or in the early morning hours, because during the night it's colder, the temperature is colder, and so there is the water that has higher pressure that goes into the trees, and so the latex that you cut from the trees is flowing much stronger than if you do it during the day.
The first time I saw natural rubber flowing from the bark of a rubber tree with my own eyes, I have to admit, I was truly moved.
In Thailand, we collect something like this. We can collect it as a liquid and as a solid. So why we don't put the acid here and to make it solid? Because we had to collect as a field. For us, we collect as a field latex.
So we straight away, after we collect the latex, we straight away take the latex to the factory for processing as fresh as possible.
So we use this liquid to make it as a sheet rubber.
or a winning product can only be created by a winning team, and winning when it matters most. And that's exactly what drives us to go further in every step of the process, acting as one team with true passion for what we do and enjoying every paddle stroke of the ride, from the rubber fields to the race fields and back to the rubber fields again.
We are really one unique team, and every time we stay together, we also like to eat together and exchange different cultures in terms of food. So here it's really enjoyable to experience the different flavors of Thai food, and also to get used to super spicy food as well.
How much time I spend in Thailand every year? I'm actually living here now since 5 years. 5 years that I've moved here in Thailand. So majority of the time I'm here, I'm just going back to Italy to visit my parents twice in a year for the typical standard holidays, Christmas or summertime. But just for the very short time, the rest of the time I'm here. I'm following the operation, and then, following operation is something that is absolutely needed to be present here, and day by day, close with the people, close with the company, close with the team. And that's not something that you can manage by email. You have to be here. It's quite interesting project because we invest here around 20 million euros of investment, complete factory, completely new machines, and also new technology.
Since then, we never had any issues in Thailand. I think we are a good Thai company, although owned by a foreign entity. We are good because we established with the help of the board of investment, so we got that good help. And till then, we kept very good relationship with the local institutes. Even recently, when we built our new factory here, the Board of Investment of Thailand had us to get all the permits, which were very fast, and also to get some financial support.
Our rubber compound factory in Rayong is where the first magic happens. Natural ingredients are expertly blended with the most advanced chemical components to create the perfect balance. This is where the world-class performance that Vittoria is known for begins to take shape. Then, at a certain point, this unique rubber compound is pushed through our highly specialized extrusion dies, becoming, for the first time in the process, the strip of rubber that will touch the most iconic race courses in the world. Another moment that fills us with emotion.
The Greenfield project was not just a building with machine, but it was an area one space where we would like to have an environment friendly environment for the people inside as well for the people outside. That's why we design specific and unique machine to process this material.
So before joining Vittoria, one of the very important points for me was sustainability. Bicycle industry in general is in the right space, but the bicycle tires are the bad guys on the bicycle. So for me, it was fundamental to have the possibility as responsible of innovation and R&D to work in that direction. And we started almost immediately working on a tire, and the target was to have 100% sustainability. So this tire that should have been made out of 100% natural and sustainable materials. So today we have the bicycle tire that is made out of 92% natural and recycled materials, and is also at the same time the best performing tire in this industry.
Today, we are in our cotton factory, and I would like to share with you what the challenge that we accept to achieve the result, to produce and to give you guys the most performance cotton tires that is the market today.
Here is where the thread meets our cotton casing. Becoming one and becoming something truly unique. In what we call internally the cotton factory, the highest level of craftsmanship comes together with the most advanced technologies and machinery to create something truly unique. It's a factory built for today, but it's futuristic for the entire tire industry. The first and still only carbon-neutral tire manufacturing facility in the world.
Cotton production needs a very high skill. Very high skill, very high experience. The production process before to arrive to the curing, that is very technological, does require a lot of skill from the operator. In this plant, we have the most skilled operator compared all the other factories that we have. And yeah, we start from the yard. We basically start from the yard. It's like to make a suit. The process is pretty similar, so the skills are similar. So it's not something that you can easily copy and implement. It's something that needs a lot of skill, a lot of time, a lot of passion. The people here, especially the people that are working in this cotton plant, they are really passionate about the results of what they produce, and really passionate to see the result on the race, the result of the product in the normal life, the real life.
The way we twist the cotton yarn to form a corresponding cotton is really one of the technical secrets, because it gives the suppleness, so the special riding comfort of our Corsa PRO tires, together with the ultimate strength characteristic of the tire. And then we move to the looming process, which is the process where we drawn the cords into the special formulation, which is latex based. So the mix of special compound together with the special process is really the key to fine-tune the performances. Here we can control the thickness, the TPI of the cotton, so how many cords we have per inch, and finally this gives the riding quality of the product. electrical curing is giving additional benefit in terms of aerodynamic. By moving to this kind of process, we have been able to have a seamless transition between the tread and the sidewall. And wind tunnel testing proved this to bring an advantage of up to 7 watt at 50 kph, which is a great benefit that we can add on top of the benefit in terms of rolling performance, grip and suppleness of the tire.
Here at the park we have replicated every single terrain and every single obstacle that one can find riding a bicycle. For example, here we are on the cobble sector, where we can replicate the Saint-Pavé sectors at Paris-Roubaix or the Flanders. And exactly here in this sector is where we measure, thanks to our telemetry and our instruments, we measure the difference between different tire prototypes or setups, and then we can also test in parallel in the lab.
The same with the Corsa PRO. The Corsa PRO is a lot of the special material and the good material, and you make together, and you have to the Corsa PRO compound is the best.
We are rider, basically, a rider that produce for riders. So you understand why we consider all those aspects so important.
Historically, the bicycle tire industry has lacked innovation data. A few years ago, we became the first to make every step of tire innovation completely scientific and measurable, from prototyping to testing.
We are at the Vittoria labs in our headquarters in Italy. This is a kind of secret place for the R&D. Here we have 10 machines. 9 of them have been completely ideated and developed by us, and they are unique machines in the world. Why the labs are the plural? In reality, it's a unique global laboratory divided across Italy and Thailand, where we have 20 machines for advanced compounding testing, research and development, and 14 testing machines for tires and tire accessories in VTT7, where we have our cotton factory near Bangkok.
From prototyping to testing, so we can consistently bring the very best products to the market. That's why we created Vittoria Park and the Vittoria Labs, to test our own ideas and, of course, those of our competitors. Always pushing ourselves to do better.
In Vittoria, we have defined the hexagon of 6 performances. It's practically a scientific way to quantify the benefits for the end user, for the cyclist. And which are these 6? It's about speed, grip, puncture resistance, riding comfort, durability, and clearly lightweight. So every machine here at the labs is meant to provide engineering data behind this performance benefit. For example, here we have the grip tester machine meant to quantify in a repeatable way the grip of any kind of tire, road, off-road, for example, on different kind of surfaces in both dry and wet condition. This is the machine where everything was born here at the labs. That is the idea of getting numbers behind the suppleness of our cotton tire. With this machine we have the possibility to reproduce any kind of surface or terrain by mathematically implementing the road profile and by giving this kind of input from the ground to the tire. And by measuring the acceleration at the wheel hub, we have the possibility to quantify scientifically and in a repeatable way the suppleness and the impact absorption of our tires.
We are now going to test a vibration transmission of a cobblestone section of Paris-Roubaix. We are able to quantify the vibration absorption of our tires through real-world conditions.
All of this effort, passion and technology ultimately comes to life on the race course. From the toughest one-day classics like Paris-Roubaix to the ultimate endurance test of the Grand Tours. And of course, on the roads around the world where passionate cyclists get to experience the very same performance and ride feel trusted by the champions. I'm Stijn, and I'm truly happy to have shared this journey with you.